Okay, so you have your right hand here, left hand here, and put it into your shoulder, like this. Yep. You want to...
Big sense.
Yeah, is it a problem?
Yes. What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? And it's your boy Saint Masug, and I'm back, ladies and gentlemen, with another one. You know, if you're not moving with us, you're snoozing. And if you're snoozing, you definitely are losing. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, today we're doing it a little bit different. So, wow. I spoke so fast I ran out of breath. Let me just try and catch a breather. So, what I'm gonna do now is that I'll shoot straight to the shooting range first, because with the first video that I shot and took down, it also had the shooting range part. So backing it up again, we're doing it again. So yeah, this time I'm booked, I'm sure. So yeah, I have a spot, so I'll be shooting there. And then yeah, man, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of the vlog, if I may call it. But yeah, so yeah, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. So ladies and gentlemen, I literally just arrived and the first thing I see is this thing. Imagine. So what I'm gonna do, that's insane. I'm gonna follow that guy and then I'm gonna ask him to rave it for me. But what I'm gonna do is go around this parking lot and we're gonna find a supercar. Actually not a supercar, but like nice cars for content as well. So yeah guys, we're here. Yeah, so there is where I'm supposed to be. But now I'm following this guy's car and I just want to ask him to rave it for me. So yeah. And then an M8 just came in. Oh. Yes.
Hey, how are you, sir? Hey. Guys, I'm at the place to be, like, literally. That's how much I love cars. Like, I literally just popped up, and then there's nice cars. So now I want to go to that M8 and ask that guy to rev it for me. But I'm just scared. But I'll just buy. You know, but there's a lot of people watching. Yo. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, man. These cars are literally distracting. Let me take off these earpods. So now we're making our way to Waterfall, arms and guns. So as you saw, guys, as I literally just arrived, the cars are insane, bro. This is the type of hood that I wanna live in. So yeah, guys, let me check in the. I'm not sure whether I'm allowed to film, but I'll just ask and then I'll continue. Okay. Hello.
Hi,
How are you, ma'am? I'm good. Ma'am, am I allowed to film?
You're more than welcome to come here from the store. Get to the staff members on.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you. So as you heard, I am allowed to film, and first thing I want to show you is this waterfall. Right out here. So if only you could excuse those guys who were passing. And then, yeah. So my appointment is actually at 12 o'clock. So I think the time now is, let me just check the time, but I think it's, yeah, 44 minutes to go. 22 or 12 minutes to go. And I think I'm going in a little bit early. And I hope you guys just enjoy the content. Oh, but the cars outside there, guys. I mean, like, you see, to live in this residence, man, you need to work hard, man. Like, you don't wake up at 8, at 7 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at 5 o'clock. You wake up on your own time. So what I found out is that, let me just stand here for lighting, is that in whatever you do, don't let people know how you make your money. Even if you make your millions. Even there are people who I look up to and I don't even know how they make their money, and I wonder. And looking at it back to me, and I'm like, if I were to live like that and no one would know how I make my money, it's nice. Watch out, guys. Enough about me. You need to take it. Hello, ma'am. Are you? Would you mind if I were to film?
Sorry?
I'm filming. Would you mind if I were to continue filming, or I'm not allowed to film here?
Yeah, promise. I'm going to double check with him.
Oh. Okay. Thank you. Hello. How are you?
Hello, good evening.
I'm good. So I just wanted to ask, am I allowed to film or?
Yeah, you are more than welcome to film.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
How are you?
Just give us a shout if we can help you with anything.
No problem, sir. Okay, he says there's no problem. So I have an appointment for 12 o'clock, or am I too early?
Your name, sir? There we go. Alright, so you are a little bit early, so you can
Or just walk around?
walk around and stuff, and then about 10 to, which is in like 7 minutes.
Yeah, I'll come back, no problem. Thank you, ma'am. So I was given 10 minutes or however minutes to walk around just to, because I came early, so I decided, you know what, I'll just go around the shop instead of going to the cars. This is a bulletproof. I'm lying, it's not a bulletproof, but like you put your guns and your truck and this looks like a bulletproof. Then it just needs the plate in there, but yeah, this is a whole shop. So thank you, sir. Enjoy the rest of your day, sir.
Cheers, man.
How are you? Good, how are you?
Alright, man.
Yeah.
You're taking pictures.
Yeah, is it a problem?
Yes.
Yes.
Keep one.
What pictures are you taking?
Why is it a problem?
But what pictures are you taking first?
Of the cars, that's
Whose
all.
car?
The people that I asked.
Eh?
The people who are driving the cars. Why is it a problem? Can I just ask that?
Who gave you the permission in the center?
The people that are driving the cars.
It's not allowed.
It's not allowed. But I do ask the people who are driving the
My
cars.
brother.
No.
Am I allowed
My
to?
brother. Okay, can I make this very simple to you? You cannot go to somebody's house and speak to his tenants and say, no, the tenants have agreed for me to come and sit here. You speak to the owner of the house, not the tenants. These people, they come here under rules. Even them, the customers, they are here under the rules of the center. Whether they consented to you taking their pictures, but why are you taking pictures of the cars?
So I'm actually doing a YouTube channel. So usually I just go around South Africa and I shoot nice cars in the market. So,
Okay, but did you speak to people?
I asked the owner of the car if he minds if I were to shoot the film. He said,
Okay, so Zuma confirmed saying that you asked the owner to come and speak to the same
okay, can I just show you here?
people. Show me.
Video and it goes
And it goes out there,
viral.
no, and then it gets hijacked.
I checked.
Oh, understand what you're saying. I
This is
do
what I'm
understand.
saying. You will have nothing to do.
Yeah.
No number plate, nothing. But coincidentally,
Yeah,
you take this car, ne?
Yeah,
Then
and
she
they
drives
take-
out there, then somebody stops
Takes
and the robot and hijacks it.
It
Then she
comes
say,
back to the center.
And I was busy filming.
yes, you are busy
Okay,
filming the car.
I understand.
And then now we check on the footage, we see you filming the car.
I understand. I understand.
Do you understand? It has some implications.
So
I feel I won't film. Let me just do what I came here to do. Then enjoy the rest of the day.
Where are you going to now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Waterfall.
Yeah. So yeah, sure. Thanks, ne.
Sure.
Away. So as you can tell, guys, so irony is I literally just love cars and I was just filming cars because I love them. But what they told me is that I'm not allowed to because there's a possibility that someone might just hijack the car as the person comes out and they may implicate it on me because I was filming the car outside, you understand? But either way, either with that being said, as I was telling them, someone's privacy and all that, I do, I do look out for it as well. I don't just film cars and then take the plates. Let me just do what I came here to do and then, yeah. Honda Civic Type R.
Because I had a Type R, so it's just in remembrance.
I actually just show one outside and thought maybe you were driving.
I had the exact this one on my back, and then then I got old. But
I understand.
do you need ammo or anything?
No, I think I'm good. Yeah.
This is so fun to shoot.
This one.
When you put it into the Ronnie, oh man, it's
It's insane.
it feels like you're shooting a machine gun, and it's so accurate because there's no recoil.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's fun.
So for me, it's my first time, so
Is it?
I don't know what experience to expect. You see, so
You have to start somewhere.
yeah.
So
Who knows? I might like it, and then just in a few months get my own car. You see.
have you done competencies? Have you done your competencies?
I haven't actually.
But do yourself a favor. That's the longest one to get approved. It can take up to 9 months.
Yes. And then,
A license can be between 3 and 6. Competency, because they're very strict, they check everything.
yeah.
So get that done as soon as possible.
MASUKU.
Your number is 081.
You good, right?
Okay.
Is this helping? Thank you. It's a pleasure.
No, not the road.
It's kind of heavy. I won't lie, it's kind of heavy. So I'm just wondering how heavy this car
So do not shoot all your rounds in the one firearm. Shoot about 10 and then just remind the range officer that you've got it on firearms to shoot down. Then the round, you can go straight down all the way to the bottom of the hallway. At the bottom door, turn right, the range is there.
Thank you. So I would lie, man. I actually thought I was. Let me just take off this gear part. So I actually felt like they want to give me the guns, right? For me to walk with them in this aisle. As you can see how this aisle is. I wanted to shut my crazy snap. But so I think the guns are possibly that side. So I'll try and make something nice. As you can hear, shots are going on, man. Please do forgive the unstability of the phone, but we'll get there, we'll get there. Can you hear that inside? Hello? Oh, you? Okay. So, are you gonna be shooting as well? Why not?
I'm just not doing very well today.
I understand. But have you been here before? Like, have you?
Yeah.
And how was your experience?
It was okay.
Nice, that's nice. Yes. So these are our one thing for sure, the sound is gonna be different as I enter inside. So yeah.
Good.
Have you shot before?
My first time.
Okay, so shouldn't be an issue because you're going to shoot forward. So if you shoot, you're fine. That's all. Go ahead. So first things first, always facing forward. Yeah. Keep your finger off the trigger. Keep it straight when you're not shooting.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you left or right-handed?
This side.
Right. Okay. So you have your right hand here, left hand here. You put it into your shoulder like this. Yep. You want to see this point through the circle here. That's how you aim. So what you're gonna do, put the bullets in the magazine. I'll show you how. Magazine in like so. Then you're gonna pull back and let go. Then you can shoot. Cool. And to load, you push down on this and slide in from the front. You can do it with the bullet too. Push down, slide in. Yeah. It can take 16, but you'd have to. You can do like 5, 10. That's okay.
Okay, I'll just take 10 and since I'll be shooting 9mm as well.
Oh, you're also doing handgun. Okay, cool. Yeah.
Beats production.
I need your handgun. Often.
This is
So you'll replace it and I'll pay at the front for it. And try and do this. Sorry, don't empty. Sorry to do that. Thank you so much. Thanks. No problem.
So what happened here, I only realized that the phone was not filming, so I hadn't recorded anything, and I already had shot like 15 shots if I'm not mistaken, and I was bringing this thing closer so we could see whether I killed our victim or I did good. But as you can see, I killed our victim, but I also shot our suspects as well, so yeah.
could you please just show me how to take it up?
So how do I press this button?
Oh yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ready? You're gonna try.
Let me take it to 10 meters.
Hey? Look, well, it's the shell casing.
This is bad. This is bad. Guys, so I'm not allowed to film, but I'll just film this Porsche for you. Oh. Oh. Rah.
What did I tell you?
Hey, man. Man. Whoa, my man.
I've got to when you're saying it's come to book in for shooting. Can you see? Can you show me a slip?
So I just wanted to go get money for ammunition because my car is not working. So as I was outside, I saw this nice GTR Porsche and I started filming, which turns out I'm not allowed to film the car. Oh, okay.
Now, let's talk about this first.
Yeah.
It's booked. Okay. What is done, I've spoken to him twice now. He goes around taking pictures of videos of people's cars on the parking lot. And that is not allowed. And we explained to him, we're going to take a video of somebody's car. That person walks around and gets hijacked. Then that thing comes straight back on your face. And it's not allowed to take videos and picture of the shops and whatever you say.
I understand, I apologize.
What I'm advising you, if you really indeed booked you to come and shoot, come and do whatever, come and do it for the arms, then please stop what you're doing.
As far as the shop's concerned, I don't mind them.
Yeah, inside here, yes, but in the parking lot, whereby somebody parks the car, then you take a video, then you fall into the car.
I understand.
It is not allowed. So we only came to verify because I wanted to get him out of the center. But now that he's booked as a customer here, then we're going to respect the fact that he's good as a customer. But only when he comes and do what he's can do.
And I do apologize. I know.
No, if you can get this booked here, then it's fine.
Thank you, sir. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, as you can tell, it's your boy Saint Masu from the Automobile Show, and we're back from the Waterfall Arms and Outdoor. It was truly an exciting experience. So what happened is that the first 15 shots that I took, so I took like 15 shots with the pistol, and then with the machine gun I took like 10 as well. So what happened, the phone wasn't filming. I only realized after I turned it around and I saw, oh man. But it was worth it, and I think there's 2 or 3 shots that I took where I took a clip. Yeah, so you guys will see this. So yeah, man. But next time when I go, I'll make sure I do a nothing. So yeah, enjoy guys. Always.